Good morning, dear students. So today we talk about the indexing trees. Okay, so what are the different indexing trees are there and how it will work and what is the use of it? These point we need to cover. Okay, so basically this is what everyone can see that this is the disk structure. Okay, our hard disk structure, you can easily understand that. The basically why this tree is important. Before that, we have to clear the concept of disk structure. Okay, so everyone knows that data is stored into the disk. Okay, this is the structure of disk. Okay, so data is stored in disk structure. Okay, so there is the disk having number of, you can see here, these are the tracks. The highlight given that this is a track. Okay, so in rounded this manner the disk structure is given. These are the track and the some important part in which this is called as the sector. Okay, and our data is stored into the block. Okay, so our data is stored into the block. So actually we are storing the data into the block. Okay, so we have to store, block means our memory allocation. We are going to store the data into the memory allocation. Okay, so everyone knows the data store into the blocks. Okay, and everyone knows this is the spindle point, and we can read and write the data from it. These are the rotations of that tree, these are the arm, these are the platters. Okay, so this is the structure of disk. Okay, so in which we are going to store our data in the form of block. Okay, so this point everyone knows. Fine. So here just concentrate. Here the data is stored onto the blocks. Okay, so this data is brought into the main memory. Okay, your data, always remember that data store in secondary memory. This is secondary memory, or we can say that this is a permanent memory. Okay, data store into the secondary memory. When we want to access that data, it should be brought into main memory. Everyone knows that data का brought किया जाता है, it is in RAM, means our random access memory, means our temporary memory. Okay, and this is called as actually data structure. Okay, so in case of huge data, searching one record in the disk requires reading the entire disk. Okay, what I'm saying, you just concentrate this part carefully. लेट्स से हियर बहुत सारा डेटा स्टोर किया है, उसको हमें किस में ब्रॉट करना पड़ता है, इन रैम मेमोरी. Okay, so we have to brought into a main memory. It is called as a data structure. So in case of huge data, here is a huge data is stored in that disk. Okay, but we need to searching some one record. So in the disk requires reading the entire disk. पर्टिकुलर डेटा मुझे रीड करना है, मान लो इस सेक्टर में जो ब्लॉक्स है, वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द ब्लॉक्स. ओके, सो वी हैव टू एक्सेस दैट डेटा. So for accessing data, it requires more time. Okay, for reading that data, means the increases, what it increases ultimately, time and main memory consumption due to high disk access frequency and data size. Okay, so we have stored the data into it, we have to brought into main memory. Again, when we are broughting that data into main memory, it requires more time to access. Okay, so to overcome this problem, the index table created. Okay, so for avoiding this problem, which table creates? Index table. So these are the very important parts. So indexing is required. So what is meant by index actually? Okay, so index means what? The index table are created that saves the record reference, the record based on the blocks that reside in. Yes, so it gives the index. For example, in our book, okay, in any type of book, there will be some index, some chapter name is given and page number is given, means we can directly access the data from that page number only. Okay, so similarly here the indices are given, means references are given. For example, this is what our blocks, I'm drawing here block. There is an in one block number of data, let's say these are the records are stored. Okay, so I want to access particular data from this block. So how can I access it? Using that index. I hope everyone clear. जो डेटा स्टोर किया है उसमें क्या है, लेट्स से स्टूडेंट का रोल नंबर है, स्टूडेंट का नेम है. आई वांट टू एक्सेस दैट डेटा, तो मैं डायरेक्टली उस इंडेक्स के थ्रू उसको एक्सेस कर सकती हूँ. So I hope everyone clear this part. Okay. So for fast accessing purpose, we required index table concept. Index means what? It creates the saves the record reference, the record based on the blocks they reside in. Okay. So it reduces the time and memory consumption. That's why we are studying the B-tree concept. So I hope everyone clear why we are going to study the B-tree concept. Okay. So before that, this is for avoiding the time consumption, memory consumption, we require the indexing part. No doubt we can see this part in DBMS also in theoretically. So what exactly the indexing is? Okay. So I hope everyone understand this, the history of B trees. Okay. So I hope clear now this part. Okay. So you can easily understand this part. Okay. So I'm just clearing one part here. So I hope everyone clear this part. Why we are studying this? These are the disk structure data. Ultimately, the discussion of whole the part is everyone should understand this point again. That is why it is needed, because huge amount of data डिस्क में स्टोर है, उससे हमें कुछ ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना होगा तो वो डेटा रैम में लिया जाता है. ओके और रैम से वो डेटा हमें एग्जीक्यूट करना होता है. फॉर ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा वी हैव टू एक्सेस सम ब्लॉक्स. ब्लॉक्स मीन्स अवर दिस इज अ ब्लॉक, दिस इज मेमोरी लोकेशन, इसमें डेटा स्टोर्ड है. उसका फास्ट एक्सेसिंग होने के लिए इंडेक्सिंग कंसेप्ट यूज किया जाता है. And our indexing concept is our B-tree. I hope everyone clear. So there are multi-level of index are used. Okay. So one important part I need to highlight here. So these are the blocks. Okay. So I'm saying here these are the blocks. So how many size of that blocks? Always remember that the block is having 5, 1, 12 bytes are required. Okay. How many bytes for each block? That is 5, 12, 5, 1, 12 bytes. I hope everyone agree. Means 0 इसका इंडेक्सिंग कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? 0 to 5, 1, 12 bytes records we can stored in one block. So I hope this point is everyone clear. Again, I'll repeat here. This is very important part. That is block address means block size. What is the block size here? Block जो भी है, we can say that these are the blocks. Okay, the data store here, this is the block is in how many size? That is 5, 1, 12 bytes are stored. So how it is stored? It is stored from 0 to 5, 1, 1 bytes. So total 5, 12 bytes records we can store in each block. Okay, so this point is very very important, so everyone should understand. Okay, so I hope everyone clear now. So there is means what they this is the structure actually. means suppose मैंने उसका database बनाया, you can easily see that. suppose मैंने ऐसे record store किए, मान लो I am storing this record. Okay, और उस record में I have to, this is block size means suppose मैंने इसमें कितने 100 records, I am going to store 100 records. Let's say record कैसे होंगे? suppose employee का ID है, then उसका name है. Likewise we have stored all these records. Okay, so if I want to access this data, means suppose मुझे ये 4 blocks access करना है, 4 records, we can say that this 4 record is stored into one block. Okay, एक block में वो store है. second जो है पूरा इस ब्लॉक में स्टोर है. मान लो मैंने इंडेक्सिंग लगाया, एवरी रिकॉर्ड को सेपरेट इंडेक्सिंग लगाया, तो अगेन द सेम टाइम, मतलब जितने नंबर ऑफ हेलो यस स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स ऑडिबल? Okay, fine. So what we have seen till that is what how much record we are going to store and how to access it. Okay, so the point is, मान लो कितने records से, मान लो 100 records मैंने store किए हैं उसके अंदर. Okay, so we'll again recall this part. Okay, so this is what let's say we have started here. Okay, so these are the records. Okay, so I'm storing these records here. Fine. Okay, so suppose these are the record, I am storing the 100 records, you can say. Okay, I'm storing the employee details here. Okay, so I want to access that data. Okay, so ये block से मुझे क्या करना है? मान लो indexing मैंने लगाया है, so index table I have created. Okay, so this is what our employee ID and this is name. You can understand this point. Okay, so उसका इंडेक्सिंग मुझे लगाना है. मान लो एम्प्लॉय आईडी 1, एम्प्लॉय आईडी 2, 3, 4 का डेटा स्टोर किया है. उसका इंडेक्सिंग में जो कर रही हूँ, इंडेक्सिंग मीन्स व्हाट, आई हैव टू क्रिएट दिस वन. दीज आर द इंडेक्सिंग पार्ट. ओके, so this is index means what, index क्या रहेगा, it is just a reference. Okay, so indexing हम लोग कैसे लगाएंगे, this is what, employee id, suppose employee id 1 का रेफरेंस कहाँ जाएगा, 1 को. if it is 2 का रेफरेंस कहाँ जाएगा, it should be going to the 2. mean this is what, index. I hope you're even clear now. so basically this is the index concept. okay, so ये रेफरेंस से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वो डेटा को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, बट अगेन देयर इज अ सिक्वेंशियल मैनर में जितने नंबर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स रहेंगे उतने इंडेक्स रहेंगे. it's not like that. again it is time consuming, so that multi-way tree is generated. ये जो syntax sequence है उसको कैसे बनाया है. so again there is a two types of index, sparse index and dense index. means I am drawing here, you can understand from this. so ये जो index है उसको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया. we are dividing this index into the two part. okay, so you can understand this point. so we have divided into two parts. और क्या किया, सपोज ये इंडेक्स जो भी है ये पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक्स को एक्सेस करेगी. ओके, और ये इंडेक्स क्या करेगी, पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक को एक्सेस करेगी. मतलब क्या, देयर इज, वी आर रिड्यूसिंग द टाइम टू एक्सेस दैट डेटा. सो आई होप यू इवन क्लियर. सो इंडिविजुअल इंडेक्स लगाने के बजाय हमने क्या किया, इंडेक्स के दो पार्ट्स किए, डेंस इंडेक्स एंड स्पार्स इंडेक्स. ओके, सो उसमें क्या होगा, अगेन वी जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक. सपोज ये जो 4 ब्लॉक्स है लास्ट के 1, 2, 3, 4. okay, so there is some diagrammatical issue, please consider here, concentrate this point only. okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ब्लॉक्स है. ये 4 जो रिकॉर्ड्स मैंने स्टोर किए हैं उसका एक ही इंडेक्स रहेगा. सो लाइकवाइज इंडिविजुअली रिकॉर्ड एक्सेस करने की जगह पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उसका नंबर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स को एक इंडेक्स में स्टोर करके उससे एक्सेस कर रहे हैं. मतलब मैं सपोज सेकंड इंडेक्स पे जाऊंगी तो मुझे डायरेक्टली total number of 4 records I can access. So this is a concept of indexing. So according to that index, we have to manage the tree data structure. So I hope you're even clear now the history of this structure, so that you can easily understand the B tree is. Okay, so dear students, I hope everyone clear now. Fine, so we'll focus on the next part here so that you can clear our main agenda, today's agenda. okay, so we have seen history of that. okay, so why use B tree? So we have seen this point again, reduces the number of reads made on the disk. yes, we have to reduce this, that's why we have clear the concept, basic concept of it. okay, the B tree can be easily optimized, the adjust its size, means that is the number of child nodes according to the disk size. so how it is optimized, that we'll see in using particular example. and it is specially design technique for handling the bulky amount of data. how, we'll see. it is useful algorithm for databases and file system. this is very important part. it is used for databases and file system. a good choice to obtain it comes to reading and writing large block of data. so this is a very important, that's why we are going to study the B tree here. so I hope everyone clear that part. okay, so we'll focus on the example. so that what is exactly B tree is? Again, the B tree is a self-balancing data structure. Okay, again it is self-balancing data structure based on the specific set of rules for searching, inserting and deleting the data in a faster and memory efficient way. This is very important. How it is faster, how memory efficient, we'll see. In order to achieve this, the following rules to create the B tree. okay, so these are the important properties of the B tree. just concentrate, these are the very important parts for creating the B tree. B tree nodes have many more than 2 children. Till now we have seen that at most 2 children for binary tree, but in B tree there is many more than 2 children. A B tree node may contain more than just a single element. okay, so how it will do, we'll see it properly. now we'll focus on the rules of B tree. This is again very important part that we need to focus on. Okay, so just concentrate. The rules are very important as per B3 is concerned. So all leaves will be created at same level. This is very important part. Again, I'll repeat this part here, that is all leaves will be created at the same level. सारे leaves same level पे होंगे. B3 is determined by the number of degrees, which is called as order. Yes, order is given, specified by an external actor like programmer, referred to as M, depends upon the block size on the disk on which data is primarily located. Okay, so basically you just read that point. I'll highlight the important part from it. And again, the left subtree of the node will have lesser than the right side of the subtree. Again, same concept, means it is in ascending or descending order to we have to check it because it is BST. Okay, and the maximum, basically the most important rule for creating B-tree is the maximum number of child nodes a root node as well as its child node can contain, calculated by the formula that is M. Means the order is given in the form of M. M is order, so the key will be, means the what is the value of M here? If it is M is 4, then keys should be 4 minus 1, that is 3. This is very important rule while creating the B tree. Again, I'll repeat the M order way keys. We have seen that is M way trees. Okay, the value of M is 4, means how much maximum size keys are required to store that tree is 4 minus 1, that is M minus 1. So always remember that this is very important rule. Okay, so now we'll directly concentrate on the example so that you can understand. Again, I am recalling all the rules so that it's clear to all. All leaves will be created at the same level. Okay, again it is a BST. This point we have seen. There is some order maintained, we have seen. Then there is very important rule, that is M. The M value will be what is the order of that tree? If it is 4, then what is the maximum keys we are going to store? That is M minus 1. That is, we can say that is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Okay, so these are the rule that we have to focused on. Okay, so now we'll directly focus on the exams to the developer for creating a wonderful presentation. Okay, fine. So we'll focus on example. Just concentrate here the B tree. Okay, so suppose we start an empty tree, B tree. Okay, there is a keys arrived in the following order. So these are the order, but we have to maintain in ascending order. Okay, so we want to, these are the element given, total 20 elements are given. So we want to construct B tree of order 5. So just concentrate here, M equals to 5. What is the value of M? That is 5. So how many keys we are going to store into this tree? Just concentrate. These are the keys, 1, 2, 8, 12. These are the keys. कितने की स्टोर करेंगे हम? m की वैल्यू 5 है तो की कितने हो गए? m minus 1. दैट इज की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? दैट इज 4. ओके, सो वी हैव स्टोर मैक्सिमम 4 keys into one root. Okay, so first 4 item go to into the root. Let's say in according to the ascending order, 1 we are storing, this is key, this is root. Okay, this is root, and in which we are storing the values 1, 2, 8, 12. Okay, so we are storing 4 values because maximum कितने की store कर सकते हैं? 4. Then now put the 5th item into the root. Would violate the condition 5? Yes, because order कितनी है? Maximum 5. So therefore we have to arrive, when 25 arrives, pick the middle key to make a new root. Okay, so this is very important step for creating the B tree. Everyone should understand. Again, I'll repeat this point so that everyone should clear properly. Okay, so just concentrate here. That is given the one empty B tree. This is root node, we can say. Initially it is a root node. Okay, so order कितनी दी है? What is our order? Order value is 5. 5 order है, means कितने की store करेंगे? K value will be the 4, m minus 1. This is your m value. Okay, so now we have store according to ascending order 1, 2, 8, 12, but we are not storing 25 after that. Why? Because why we are not storing? Because it violates the property, that is we have stored only the 4 element. Okay, so let's see the next step so that you can understand how it will work. Okay, so just concentrate on this part. Okay, So we'll focus on next part. Just concentrate. We are adding 25 to the tree. So just see here in this example. Okay, what happens here? Just see 25 add means exceed order 5 मेंटेन नहीं किया. So इसमें क्या होगा, जो मिडल वाला जो नोड है वो क्या बन जाता है, it should be go to the upper side, means it's promote middle and split, means 8 will be stored here and it is divided into the two parts. So no doubt 8 से जो smallest element है वो left में जाएंगे और greatest जो भी है वो right में जाएंगे. So this is again the property of BST that is very important. Okay, so next step में क्या होगा, what is the next step here? Okay, so that point I have already highlighted to you. Okay, so this is what 8 that I have told you here, that is 8 will be go to the upper side and it divided into two parts. की 1 2 इन 8 से जो स्मॉलेस्ट है वो लेफ्ट साइड में जाएंगे और 8 से जो ग्रेटेस्ट है वो राइट साइड में जाएंगे. क्लियर टू ऑल? दीज आर द कीज. Okay, so now we have added 6 14 28 get added into the leaf node. Okay, so just concentrate. 6 is the smaller than 8, तो वो कहाँ जाएगा, लेफ्ट साइड में जाएगा. Then we can say the 14 again small, 14 is greater than 12. Okay, but smaller than what, 28. So what will happen here? So no doubt ये दोनों के बीच में आना चाहिए, means again it is in ascending order. Okay, so one by one we are going to add the element here. Okay, next step, you can understand this. Okay, so just concentrate here. Now we have adding 17 here. So we have seen the previous step. कहाँ तक थे हम लोग, ये हमने 28 को ऐड किया. ओके, यहाँ पे 25 है, इट्स मिसिंग बट देयर इज 25, मतलब 4 एलिमेंट्स हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं. नाउ 8 हमने ऐड किया. नाउ नेक्स्ट विल बी द 17. So what will happen into the 17? Okay, so you can easily understand this point. 17 हमने ऐड किया. Okay, to the right leaf node overfill it. Yes, so we take middle key. Yes, 17 हमने ऐड किया, बट 17 कहाँ जाएगा, अगेन इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम रूट. 8 है, 8 से ग्रेटेस्ट है, सो नो डाउट ये साइड में जाएगा वो. ओके, बट इट इज शुड बी व्हाट, ग्रेटर देन 14, तो 14 के पहले वो आया, मीन्स 25 14 के बाद आया, 25 के पहले आया मस्ट. बट हियर इज अगेन टोटल नंबर ऑफ कीज आर 5. जब 28 भी ऐड किया, 17 ऐड किया, तो कितने आए, 1 2 3 4 5, मींस इट्स वॉलेट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ऑर्डर. ओके, इसका मतलब है जो मिडल वाला नोड है वो कहाँ जाना चाहिए, 17 शुड बी शिफ्ट इनटू द अपर साइड, मींस 17 यहाँ पे आएगा. एंड हाउ विल स्प्लिट दैट ट्री, 17 से स्मॉलेस्ट जो भी है वो वे जो है 17 से स्मॉलेस्ट 12 14 कहाँ जाएंगे, यहाँ पे जाएंगे. और 17 से जो ग्रेटेस्ट है 25 28 विल बी go this side. So I hope everyone clear this part. Clear to all? So we'll see in next part that I have explained earlier. Okay, just see here. I hope everyone clear now. So likewise, just concentrate here. Okay, so previously जो हम लोगों ने देखा 17 it's exceed the property, it's violate the property of 5, क्योंकि ऑर्डर कितनी 5, बट हमने कितने एलिमेंट, कितने कीज होनी चाहिए 4. सो क्या होगा, जो मिडल वाला नोड है वो अपर साइड में जाएगा और उसका डिवाइड होगा. तो डिवाइड कैसे हुआ, यू कैन सी हियर प्रॉपरली. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, 17 विल गो टू द रूट नोड एंड उसको डिवाइड कैसे किया देखो. अगेन वी हैव एड इन 7 एंड ऑल दिस एलिमेंट. सो 7 अगेन स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस रूट नोड. उसमें कितने कीज है, 2 8 एंड 17. सो 8 से स्मॉलेस्ट जो एलिमेंट है वो यहाँ पे जाएंगे, 1 2 7 6. अगेन वी हैव टू मेक ऑर्डर ऑफ इट. देन 8 से ग्रेटेस्ट 12 14 16 एंड मींस 8 से ग्रेटेस्ट एंड 17 से स्मॉलेस्ट, तो वो कहाँ जाएंगे, सेकेंड लीफ नोड वेज. एंड दिस इज वे, वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द एम वेज. ओके, बट हमारा वेज कितना है, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एम, दैट इज 5. मैक्सिमम हम लोग 5 तक जा सकते हैं. Okay, fine. So I hope everyone clear that point. And 17 से जो greatest element है वो कहाँ जाएंगे, उसके right side में. So I hope everyone clear how to create the B tree here. Fine to all. So next element we are going to add here, that is 48. We have added 16 added. So 48 added. Yes, 48 again greater than 17. So again it is in right side of that 17. Okay, so this point everyone should understand. Okay. Clear to all, everyone? Okay, fine. So next will be what? adding 68. Just concentrate here. Again, we have seen previously it's okay. Now next will be the 68. So what is the value of 68? 68 add karenge, again it is leaf node. Okay, so what happens is, so we'll start from root node. Root node कौन है हमारा 8 and 17. Okay, so 8 से smallest we have seen that 1 2 6 7. अभी इसमें ऐड नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि टोटल नंबर ऑफ कीज 4 कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. अभी 8 से ग्रेटेस्ट एंड 17 से स्मॉलेस्ट वी हैव स्टोर 12 14 and 16. And what about this? Okay, just concentrate. 17 से ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू हमें स्टोर करनी है. 25 28 we have added 48 here, so no doubt 48 is lesser than 52, so वो पहले 52 के पहले आएगा और greater than 28, so it should be placed here. So now what is the next rule? What we have to do? 48 क्या होगा? ये split हो जाएगा. 48 go to the root node. 48 यहाँ पे stored हो जाएगा. Okay, in root node, and it is divided into the two parts. Okay, इस 48 से smallest फिर से कौन बनेंगे? 25 28, and उससे greatest कौन बनेंगे? 58 52 68. Means we are going to split that leaf node. Clear to all these points? I hope everyone clear this part properly. Yes, just see here we have added 48 here. Fine, so 48 यहाँ पे add किया. So this you just focus on this part. 48 पहले इसमें हमने देखा था 48 इट्स वॉलेट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ m, सो इसीलिए उसको डिवाइड किया. मिडल वाला नोड कौन बन जाता है? रूट बन जाता है. और उससे स्मॉलेस्ट जो भी है वो कहाँ जाएंगे? यस, अगेन इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 18 से स्मॉलेस्ट, इट विल गो हियर. 18 से ग्रेटेस्ट 8 से ग्रेटेस्ट एंड 17 से स्मॉलेस्ट विल स्टोर हियर. Again 17 से greatest 25 28, but it is smaller than 48, that's why it placed here. Likewise we have doing the splitting process. So I hope everyone clear now. Yes, clear to all. This is very important part. Okay, B tree में 100% question आता है, so we have to focus on that. So likewise we can increase the tree 26 29 53 55 we are adding into the leaves. Okay, so finally what happens is, just concentrate on that point here, that is add 45 in increase the tree level. Yes, अभी देखो again story starts from home. Yes, 48 भी हमने ऐड किया. अभी ये 1 2 6 7, okay, ये भी प्रॉपर प्लेस पे है. there is no any issue. It does not violate the property of m. okay, so order 5 है और keys कितने होने चाहिए? 4. but here you can see when we are adding the 45, what happens is it exceed the order, so we have to promote middle and split. so what happens is 28 कहाँ जाना चाहिए? 28 should be goes to the upper level. okay, but 28 upper हो जाएगा. again we are splitting this leaf node into two parts, but again it violate the property of what? It again violate the property of m. means what? How many keys we are going to store? Only 5 keys. okay, sorry 4 keys. so again उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? split करना पड़ेगा. means again 17 कहाँ पे जाएगा? it should be placed on the root node. again we are going to split. means finally we are splitting into the next level. This is the maximum level will splitting. okay, so just see the last part here, just concentrate. okay, so this is our what? Constructing B tree. Now 17 will be the root, smaller than 70 will store here, smaller greater than 17 will store here. So likewise we have constructed the B tree here. So I hope everyone clear that point, how the B tree is created. Thank you, students.